In this video, I will show you how to add the featured image to a blog post in WordPress. So as you can see, this is an article and this is the featured image of it. So how do you add that featured image? So first of all, you have to come to the WordPress admin dashboard. Then on your left-hand corner, you will see post. So you click on all posts. Then you scroll down to the post you want to actually add a featured image. So this is it. So I'll click on what? Edit. Then it will open. Then you will see if there is a default picture there, you will see it. If you don't see any default picture, if you look at the top, you will see add featured image. You see add featured image. Then you click on it. So here there is already a featured image. So you will not see add featured image. But if there was no featured image, it will say add. So in that case, like it is already there. If I want to replace it, I'll just click on, and then it will take me to my media gallery, or I'll just upload it from my laptop. Just click on, if you want to upload it, you come and click on select files. You come here and then click on select files. It will take you to your device. Then you select the picture, then click open. Then it will bring you back. Then it will just insert a picture. Then you click on save. You click on save. But because I didn't replace it with anything, that's why my save button is not clickable. But if you actually add it, you'll be able to save it and it will take effect. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section if you're able to follow this video, and then add your featured image. If you also have any problem, leave it and then let me know. See you in the next video.